Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you can integrate Klaviyo with WordPress. So let's get started. To connect Klaviyo with WordPress, the easiest way is by using Zapier, which acts as a bridge between the two platforms. First, go to zapier.com and log in or create a free account. Once you're inside, click on Create Zap. A zap works in two parts: a trigger and an action. The trigger is the event that starts the process, so in this case, you can select Klaviyo and choose something like New Event whenever a subscriber joins your list or takes a specific action. After setting the trigger, you'll move on to the action, which tells WordPress what to do once that Klaviyo event happens. For example, you could set it up to upload media, create a new post, or even update your site automatically. After you connect both accounts and test the zap, Zapier will run the workflow in the background every time the event occurs. This way, Klaviyo and WordPress are seamlessly connected, saving you time and keeping everything automated without you needing to manually update your site. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.